How to make an easy scrimp scampi my way. Yes, I said scrimp. This is not a dream. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Place the shrimp into a colander or a bowl. Carefully inspect the shrimp's color for any spots or discolorations. Discard or throw away the shrimp if it has a bad smell. Hold the tail end of the shrimp. Squeeze and twist the tail until it is separated from the shrimp. Continue this process with all of the shrimp and then discard or throw away all of the tails. Check the back of the shrimp for any black veins, also known as the feces of the shrimp. Remove and discard any black veins. Rinse your shrimp with cold water several times. Pat dry with paper towels and place the shrimp into a bowl. Using a small bowl and a strainer, cut and squeeze the juice of half a lemon and then set it aside. Using the fresh parsley, cut enough for 1 to 2 teaspoons. Place the parsley into a bowl and set it aside. Using a deep pot full of water that has come to a rolling boil, add the olive oil and the salt. Follow the cooking directions on the back of your pasta box to complete your cooking process. Before draining your pasta, carefully remove a 1/4 cup of the pasta water and set it to the side. Using a skillet on medium-high heat, add the butter and the olive oil, followed by the minced garlic, the crushed red bell pepper, the broth, and the pasta water. Stir all the ingredients and saute or cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add the shrimp to your skillet. Then add the shrimp scampi seasoning mix to the top of your shrimp. Mix the seasoning mix well into your shrimp and butter and garlic sauce. Cook between 5 and 7 minutes. Your shrimp is done when it is light pink in color or looks like the letter C. After 5 to 7 minutes, turn the heat off. Add the fresh lemon juice and the fresh parsley and stir well. Your scrimps are done. And here you have it, the easy shrimp scampi my way. Linguine noodles, butter, garlic, olive oil, shrimp scampi seasoning, crushed red bell pepper, fresh lemon juice, fresh parsley, Parmesan cheese, and the Colossal jumbo shrimp. This is a easy, no-fail, win-win flavorful recipe. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. All a dream is the music bump in this video, and you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.